So for those asking what modifications we did on the dashboard, so today I'm gonna walk you through what we did on the dashboard, just to refurbish the dashboard. So my dashboard was very clean, just needed a bit of work, just a little work. So I decided to go with a theme that red and black, of course inspired by AMG. And so the dashboard is black and red. So when you switch on the car, this is what happens. So switch on the car, so we have our charging ports, DC charging ports. This is a voltmeter, shows us the battery life. This is a charging port. It's a 5 volts. So we have our temp gauge here, mounted here, facing the driver, because this is very important. Your eyes need to be here if you're running a swap, especially in the early stages. Your eyes need to be focused here. So normally here, anything 90 to 100 is good. We kept the stock gauges. Okay, the oil, we are using the original oil gauge. So this works. The fuel gauge works. Our speedometer works. Now here we have our tack. So it's quite a clean setup, just easy. Everything, you tried mounting everything to look as stock as possible, and to hide them, literally just to hide. You don't lots of modis on these classics and them just being on everyone's face. So apart from this is what couldn't fit anywhere here. So this needs to face the driver. This is very important. Once if you happen to mess up with the temperatures, if there's something wrong with the car and you don't notice it, then you'll end up losing your engine. So quite a simple setup. I mean, a bit of color goes a long way on your dashboard. Yeah, you should try it. I found it very, other than putting material on this, the color works. The color works. Just choose a color matching your car. Normally the color on the exterior of your car should be on the dashboard, and then you find you just try and match it. It should work just fine. Then the steering, we just painted the steering white. Yeah, so quite simple, matches the car. We're just doing the final works. We just installed the voltmeter and the charging ports. So we're trying to make this car as practical as possible. Like I said, this is a practical car. Oh, and something else. So this is our gauge for this here. This hidden over here is our gauge for switching on the tank, the secondary tank. Like you can just, when you need to like refill, in case you need to refill it, so you have an option to like do it manually, but normally it should fill itself from the other tank. If the other tank doesn't have fuel, then if you have little fuel, then you can just switch on the pump, and then fills within 2 minutes. This here is our switch for the fan. Like you can switch on the fan externally too. It's automatic, but you can actually say you're in traffic and you notice that the temperature is really acting up, then you have a safety net here. You can just switch it on. You can switch on the fan comes on. So those are just little hacks that are working. So everything else here is Kombi. The hazard, cigarette lighter works. Yeah, wipers. This is my ignition. I need I need to fix the original ignition. I'll try to get the key. I lost the key. So, and then we have our nini for the doors. So this works too, by the way. Once you lock the doors, it goes off, the driver door. See, once I open it, comes on. So simple hacks for your Kombi, and yeah, I'll keep updating you guys on the improvements we keep doing on this car. Catch you in the next video.